Do kangaroos wear seatbelts? Can we go fast? Asked the boy. Can we blast to the zoo? It won't take long, said his mom. Sit still, you bouncy kangaroo. Mom, if we were kangaroos, would I have to wear a seatbelt when you took me for a hopping ride? No, a mama kangaroo knows her Joey won't go flopping. Her little one is safe, tucked inside. Mom, if we were penguins, would we have to use this stroller in the places penguins go? You mean as we zip on our slippery trips through Antarctic ice and snow? No, a penguin's body is nice for sporting and cavorting and for sliding on the ice. Mom, if we were hippos, would you make me take your hand if I wanted to get cool and started running toward the pool? A mama hippo has legs, not arms, but she can hiss when she's alarmed. When she wants to budge her calf, she will nudge his bottom half. If anything dangerous wanders his way, she carries and ferries him safely away. Oh, okay, Bush baby. This next place is dark. I don't want to lose you, so climb into this pack. Mom, do I have to? I'm big enough to walk. Do real bush babies need to ride piggyback? A bush baby rides on mama's back at night, soaring, gliding, sliding, leaping, while the thorn tree world is sleeping, catching insects in mid-flight. His fingers cling tightly to his mother's hair, because she bumps and she jumps and goes swooshing through the air. Mom, if I was that monkey clowning around, would you make me wear a helmet in case I tumbled down? A mama monkey isn't nervous that her young one will stop slipping, because she knows his hands and feet are made just right for gripping. She doesn't have to fret as he's sailing down the trail. He can wrap and grab the branches with his prehensile tail. Mom, I wish I was a lion cub running wild and free. I would prowl and growl, my tail would bounce, and then I'd pounce. Then I would be a lion, Mom. Let me remind you, I'd be behind you, together we'd tumble and rumble in the grass. Why would you have to come too? The boy asked. All kinds of parents everywhere, wet or dry, low or high, whether their bodies are large or thin, covered with scales or fur or skin, do their best to take good care of their little ones. And you, my son, as you climb and spin, as you wobble and balance and wiggle and swim, you'll know I'm there to hold and to hug, to keep you warm and safe and snug. Mom, the zoo was super fun with you. When I grow up, maybe I'll be a daddy kangaroo.